Etymology and scientific development of entropy. Greek roots. The English word entropy was coined in the mid-19th century by the German physicist Rudolf Clausius from the Greek components, meaning in or inside, meaning transformation or turning. Historical usage in thermodynamics. Rudolf Clausius introduced the concept in 1865 to describe a thermodynamic quantity measuring the unavailability of a system's thermal energy for conversion into mechanical work. Over time, it became known as a measure of disorder or randomness in a system. Modern meaning. In thermodynamics, entropy is a property that increases in spontaneous processes, reflecting energy dispersal and irreversibility. In information theory, Claude Shannon, entropy measures uncertainty or information content. In general usage, entropy sometimes means chaos, disorder, or randomness. Entropy in physics, the laws of nature. Entropy quantifies disorder in a system and follows the second law of thermodynamics, which states that entropy always increases over time in an isolated system. Example, when ice melts into water, its molecular structure transitions from low entropy, solid, to higher entropy, liquid. Entropy in biology, life on Earth. Living organisms defy entropy locally by consuming energy and exporting disorder. Example, photosynthesis converts solar energy into chemical energy, sustaining life while increasing overall entropy. Astrobiology, entropy in the search for life. Scientists search for life by identifying entropy-reducing processes that indicate energy-driven order. Example, chemical imbalances in exoplanet atmospheres may suggest biological activity. Black holes in entropy. Stephen Hawking and Jacob Bekenstein linked black holes to thermodynamics, showing that black hole entropy is proportional to its event horizon's surface area. Hawking radiation causes black holes to evaporate, raising deep questions about information loss in physics. Key takeaways. Physics, entropy governs energy dispersal and system evolution. Biology, life counteracts entropy locally using external energy sources. Astrobiology, detecting life may involve identifying entropy-reducing processes. They possess entropy and emit radiation, uniting gravity, quantum mechanics, and thermodynamics. Entropy is a fundamental principle linking the microscopic and cosmic scales, governing the structure and evolution of the universe.